Is good memory necessary for math? Do you have to memorize all the formulas? The answer is no. You don't need good memory or to memorize all the formulas just to be good at math. What you need to learn is derivation. You only need one basic formula and all the other related formulas will follow if you know how to derive. Just like speed, distance, and time, I only know the formula for speed, which is s is equal to d over t. But with the derivation method, I can derive the formula for distance and time. This is how it works. So the formula for speed is equal to distance over time. Formula for distance is, okay, let's ignore that one. There. Distance is equal to speed times time, and then the formula for time is this one. That's how derivation works. So you don't need to memorize all the formula. Just one basic formula. Here is another example of the application of derivation. So we see a bunch of formulas, but we don't need to memorize all of them. We only need to memorize the basics. Remember that this and this can be derived from this formula, and this one can be derived if you know the basic formulas. F is equal to ma and work is equal to force times distance. So as you can see, you don't need to memorize all 5 formulas. You only need to memorize what is necessary or what are the basics. This is your reminder to not memorize everything. You can derive from the basics. Thanks for watching.